Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Active Noise Cancelling mode. Basically you have a few options how to do it with gestures and with application. So let's start with application. Just open it. Now click on your device and right here click on noise cancelling. Oh, sorry, yeah, we should. Right now click on it and we just did it. If you click it again you turn off it. Now you can also press and hold on your headphones to turn on and turn off it. So let's check it. I'm just turn on it and I press and hold again to turn off it. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.